It is a constructive session for markets globally, with equities leading the charge. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for June 25th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is little changed, hovering near 24,053 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech stocks drive unnerving sell-off in global markets, the New York Times. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,654 level above and $23,452 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is broadly flat at 77,098 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech stocks drive unnerving sell-off in global markets, the New York Times. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is little changed, hovering near 58,187 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that three Argentine bank stocks for higher rates and net interest income, simply walled St. With Bank Nifty moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $59,642 level above and $56,733 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Bajaj Finance is trading lower by -0.96%, at 981.40 Indian rupees. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. ICICI Bank edged higher plus 0.98% to 1,387 Indian rupees. Fee income growth from digital transactions and credit card spends is compounding well above the loan book growth rate. The iMobile app engagement data is a leading indicator of cross-sell success. Any commentary on the unsecured loan book quality would be closely watched as consumer leverage in India builds. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 94.39. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Equity markets are responding to reports that oil nears pre-war levels, but a top economist warns lower prices could mean higher inflation, Business Insider. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank edged higher plus 0.98% to 1,387 Indian rupees. Retail loan growth, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards is compounding strongly. The digital banking platform has dramatically reduced customer acquisition cost, giving ICICI a structural margin advantage. Asset quality remains the cleanest among large Indian banks. Any NPA deterioration would be the key risk signal. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.